27 Storm Track weather with Chief Meteorologist Cameron Hopman.
Well, first things first, the Storm Prediction Center has maintained that 3 and 4 on the threat index for the entirety of Wisconsin, with the greatest threat for severe weather occurring to the west of Madison, from Waterloo, Eau Claire, Minneapolis, La Crosse. That's where we're seeing the greatest risks of potentially strong to severe storms. And underway already a well-organized line of thunderstorm activity extending from the areas south of Minneapolis into parts of north central Iowa that will gradually roll eastward, bringing about the threat of damaging winds, large hail, tornadic activity, already triggering multiple warnings as that system rolls eastward. However, here at home, it's been fairly quiet so far. We are tracking a few isolated rain showers, even a couple rumbles of thunder a short bit ago, but for the most part, again, not all that much activity. You see parts of Greene County, Rock County, Dane County, even parts of Jefferson, Walworth County seeing some light rain chances at this time. But this is where everyone's attention is focused on. Thunderstorm and tornado watches in effect from parts of the Great Plains into parts of western Wisconsin. Those tornado watches, that yellow box on your screen, through 11 o'clock. Notice severe thunderstorm warnings, tornado warnings as a part of that line of showers and storms that extends further off to the west. Here at home, however, again, it is quiet, but all the ingredients for severe weather development are present. Temperatures surging to their highest point of the year thus far, reaching 82 degrees earlier today, our warmest day since the end of October. In addition to that, dew point values are soaring. We're getting dew point values in the mid to low 60s. It feels like the middle of summer out there right now. We have a strong upper level jet as well, so all those ingredients are present. However, there is one problem. We have a layer of very warm air right in the middle and upper levels of the atmosphere that essentially is butting heads with those developing showers at the surface. Normally, with days like this, you get those nice pop-up thunderstorms. You get those cloud tops that go into the upper atmosphere. That very strong upper-level jet will catch them, extend those cloud tops even higher, generate that rotation, right? Today, we have that warm layer of air that is stunting any of that development. That is called a cap. Essentially, it's like having a 2 liter of Coke and you shake it up nice and good. You leave the cap on, nothing happens. If you take that cap off, everything comes out of that bottle, right? Well, we're waiting for that cap to come off. Whether or not it will remains to be seen. Model data continues to keep things fairly quiet the next several hours. Notice that well-organized line of shower and thunderstorm activity off to the north of us stays to our north, at least throughout the early evening. This is 9 o'clock, maybe some development of some additional showers and storms. Now, once we get towards 10, 11, midnight, 1 o'clock, we could start to see some additional redevelopment of showers and storms just north of the Madison metropolitan area from Wautoma through Richland Center, rolling eastward, possibly extending further off to the south. An overall timeline, 7 p.m. to about 3 a.m., large hail your greatest threat. According to the National Weather Service, 2 to 3 inch in diameter hail, the greatest threat from these thunderstorms. That's the type of heat and energy that's in this atmosphere. Damaging winds, tornadic activity also on the table. Because this storm system goes into the overnight hours, have multiple ways to get those warnings. In addition to tuning in on air when a warning is issued, have that 27 Storm Track app downloaded, ready to go. The QR code's right there. Have a NOAA weather radio. Have your phone on loud. This is going to be potentially a bumpy night, especially for the areas north of Madison. 60, your high temperature on Tuesday. Wednesday, 62, 60 on Thursday. Now, if you're seeing additional rain chances in your extended forecast, no severe weather threats. Light rainfall at most. 62 Wednesday, 60 Thursday, 61 Friday. Saturday, we kick off the upcoming weekend. Sunshine and 66.